How to unpin reel in Instagram. In today's video guys, I'll show you step by step on how to unpin Instagram reels. After you open your Instagram like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile now, as you can see now, this video is a reel on my Instagram section. So I'll tap on this reel section. So as you can see now, here is the video that I just pinned on my Instagram profile. If you want to unpin this video from your Instagram profile, now tap on this grid section. So as you can see now open up the video like this. After you open up the video like this, now tap on this three dot at the top right side. So now scroll all the way to down, and tap on this section. As you can see now, it says unpin from profile. After you tap on this unpin from profile, tap on this back arrow again. So now open up the video again. After you open up the video again, tap on this three dot again. Now scroll to down again and tap on this remove from grid. Tap on it. So tap on this remove from grid again. Remove. So as you can see now, it says remove from grid. Now it's remove the Instagram reel from my profile. Tap on this back arrow. So as you can see now the Instagram reel has disappeared. If I tap on this reel section now, as you can see now, here is the Instagram reel. I unpin it on my Instagram. That's it guys on how to unpin Instagram reel, or how to unpin reel in Instagram. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.